To practice descent from a first tone to a seventh tone, try the following. First tone followed by a seventh tone.
水面、顶面、西面、等候、本市、小便、写字、参与、所在、讲话、准备、草地、歹路、要卖、买卖。
In order to make certain that you have clinched the difference between the eighth tone when it changes to a third and an unchanged eighth tone, practice with the following.
上物、食物、特别、特日、七日、白贼、道叫、白日、复习、实力、独立、学历、复杂、目的。
A difficult tone combination is an eighth which changes to a third followed by a fourth. The following should be gone over many times with a teacher. It would be fruitful to turn back to these lists for practice every month or so.
白色、白贼、目的、垃圾、目屎、一角、600、11、17、读册、活泼、肉色、特国、话剧、拍摄。